there, fellow creators. Welcome back to our channel, Learn to Earn Minds. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you all. Have you ever wanted to turn your text into eye-catching images right from your mobile device? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do just that using some awesome Android apps. We'll be diving into the creative possibilities of Bing and Revive. Plus, we'll take it to the next level and learn how to animate those text images. So, let's dive in. The first step is to open the Bing app. You must first sign up with your Microsoft account. The interface of the Bing app is shown below. Click on Image Creator and paste your prompt here. In place of Kashif, you can write your name. For example, I write Ali. Now click Create. A few minutes later, 4 high-quality pictures are generated. Click here to see the results. Let's try a different prompt. You can write your name in the place of Suraj and Naina. Click Create. You can see the result here. If you wish to download it, click on the 3 dots and then click on Download. You will be able to download your file. It's time to make our pictures sing. The app we use is called Revive. There are many features, some of which are free and some of which are paid. To make our images sing, we use only free features. Double Trouble is located down the page. Scroll down and click it. You need to choose one. This is the one I chose. I have already selected the picture, but I will show you how to select it. Simply scroll down the page and select your picture. Then click Revive. Then select the face. The 2 characters will sing if both faces are selected. Click Continue to proceed. You can now see the results. Let's choose another picture. I select this one. You will need to click Revive. Select the face and then click Continue. Here is what we came up with. Select one face if you want only one character to sing. Then click on Continue. If you want to change picture and song both, scroll down the page and select your picture. For Change the Song, choose it from Love Songs. Click on your desired song, click Revive, and your song will be changed. And there you have it, folks. With just a couple of Android apps, Bing for image creation and Revive for animation, you can turn your text into stunning images and even bring them to life with animation. The best part? You can do it all right from your mobile device. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy creating!